Good habits. Now let's come to know about personal hygiene and fitness. Early to bed, early to rise. We should sleep early and wake up early in the morning to stay healthy and fit. Take a bath daily. Brush your teeth twice a day. We must wash our hands before and after every meal. Eat healthy food full of vitamins and minerals. Drink lots of water. Always finish your meal. Exercise daily. Comb your hair twice a day. We must wash our clothes regularly and after that wear clean clothes. Trim your nails regularly. Clean your ears regularly. We should never waste food and water. We should close the dustbin after use. Use a dustbin to dispose of waste. Keep your surrounding and room clean. Do not scribble on your book. Keep them clean and organized. Keep your classroom clean. Keep your toys well organized.